we have here the candidates of Binibining Paranaque 2026. We have your Tambo, La Huerta, San Martin de Porres, Santo Niño, and Merville. Hello, girls! What's the decision of you coming back after 2
It
years?
is a great risk for me to conquer, and I'm honestly so happy that I made the decision to come back because I'm genuinely happy with all of these candidates standing beside me, and I'm happy with this year representing my barangay, Mervis.
What are you expecting from Binibining Paranaque?
I'm expecting to be fun and memorable since I am joining for the second time, and I hope to bring the second time crown for Binibining Tambo.
For La Huerta, what is your promise mga kalugar out there?
So to my barangay La Huerta, I hope that I could bring pride to our barangay. Moreover, I wish to bring our identity and pride here in Binibining Paranaque. I hope to make you proud one of these following days.
Yeah, we'll be competing with a lot of competitive girls out there. So, anong preparations ang ginagawa?
I am studying about the pageantry. I think this will be a great experience for me as a first timer, and I am hoping that I will learn here a lot. Thank you.
And alone, Morena out here, do you think that is your edge? That will be parang maaay ang ating mga judges. Don't you think that's your advantage for the contest?
Well, I think it is, but it's definitely on me on how I will shine on the stage in this coronation night.
Yeah. So we'll be seeing you girls at the coronation. Before that, the preliminary. Good luck to your journey here and may the best girl win.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, girl. Thank you.